Hello friends, welcome back to Natural Recipes. Today we are going to make moringa powder at home. First, take the moringa leaves and wash them neatly and cleanly without soil. After washing and wiping, put them on a plate. Put it on a plate and cover it with a cloth in the shade at home. So, it should be checked once in 2 days. When you heard a leafy crack sound, understand that it is a complete dry leaves. See, like this, it have to pick up. I'm showing you closely so that you can figure it out. You have to mash like this for a few seconds. I have mashed a little one, but you have to mash it. This is a compulsory step. Take a blender and blend them into a powder. Add some only. I am removing some so that it can become nice powder. You have to place like this. Here, after adding some more, I'm adding more into it. Blend like this. This is my powder. Here I am using a cloth, a very thin cloth. You have to use very thin cloth. Place into 2 layers. Now take that cloth and cover it into a bowl like this.
I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine.
Take the cloth one side.
I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll try to fix it. Love.
Now pour the powder into the cloth. This helps the powder to become smooth and very nice, soft. Now just do like this. Cover it. Just mix. You can mix if you want to mix, and you can just keep tight your clothes. Do with your hands. Push the powder through the bowl. Here I am mixing with spoon also. You can see you have to do like this many times. So this is my powder which I have done. It's very soft, very nice. Small particles are there in that powder. We can mix it easily. This process do not take much time to do, so you can do at any time. Store in a closed container. Like this, I am storing in a glass container. So this is my powder. See how nice this powder is. This is my stamp base. Do not waste, you can use it for green teas, etc. Moringa powder and moringa waste. like this video, do not forget to like. Moringa have been used for centuries due to its medical properties and health benefits. Moringa contains a variety of proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Moringa contains many healthful components such as vitamin A, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, potassium, calcium, iron, zinc, phosphorus, magnesium. Benefits of Moringa is protecting and nourishing skin and health, protecting the liver, preventing and treating cancer, fighting against bacterial diseases, making bones healthier, etc. If you like this video, just hit a like and share, comment, subscribe natural recipes. I will see you in my next video. Bye.